What? Oh shit, okay, cool, I'm coming up. Hang on, I'll just get the piece. Hey, they're just going to unbox the new Ducati V2S Streetfighter, man. Come up and have a look at it. Come on, bro. That's for me video. Yeah, battery charger.
Oh, is that all it is?
Yep.
Fuck you, okay. You got to show, he wants to see it coming out.
Yep. V2S bloody Street Fighter, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, they do it a bit better, the Italians, don't they? Put a bit of
wrap on them.
Bit of wrap, bit of bloody bubble wrap. Magnificent.
They're on script.
Bloody beautiful day, isn't it?
Day.
It's not boiling hot. Just... ...2026 Ducati Streetfighter V2S being born. It's just sturdy, isn't it? Bloody Spider-Man's on here.
That's it.
What does that do?
So it used to be good for they used to send the shopping for all these in it.
Oh yeah.
I used to put the use them for my cat pots.
Oh yeah, cool.
Fish gets in there perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah. They don't do it anymore.
So you should use these for your crab pots.
That's what they're too.
Like when they're in the shocks.
Yeah,
Around the shop. Yeah, cool. Look at that, here we go.
There it is.
Ting. Oh, look at that. Got the Olin suspension. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4s. So you just put the mirrors on, that's it?
That's it, yep. Mirrors and PD. Plug her in.
PD, plug her in, fuel. Check everything. Do a wheel stand, she's all go.
Yeah, no, they're nice and easy, these ones.
That is the Ducati Streetfighter V2S. Nearly unboxed. here, little straps on the reflectors. I'll stick them on the way out. Quick, put these on for Australia. Haven't got your ratchet gun.
Nah, it's too long.
Hey. So only one. That only holds on to one stay there, does it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it goes right through. Hold
Oh,
the
yeah.
wheel on an angle, and then you got the two at the back.
Two at the back. Yeah, that's all you need. It must work. It's fucking here. They've got a lock nut on there, do they? Yeah.
You give it a wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle.
wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Right.
Wiggle it again. Right over now, hang on. Move apart. Rightio, 1, 2, 3.
Off she goes, look at that.
Straight out.
That is the Ducati Streetfighter V2S, unboxed. Chuck some mirrors on, fuel and tank. She's off. Thank you, gentlemen.
No problem. Have a good afternoon.
Fucking, I will, mate. I will. Well, that didn't take too long, did it? That's the unboxing of Ducati's 2026 Streetfighter V2S. Check out the rest of the channel. There's some beauty stuff there. Been doing this for 10 years now, so go back, have a look. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Ring the bell, press the bell, whatever you do. Rock on. Thanks for watching. Well, that didn't take... well, that's a bit of moto therapy for you. Hey, didn't take too long, did it? That's the Ducati Streetfighter V2S for 2026. Come and check out the rest of the unboxing that we've got. We've got some beauties. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that gear. But we'll catch you on the next one. Check you later. Well, that didn't take too long, did it? That's the Ducati V2 Street. Yeah, hey, that's... well, that didn't take too long, did it? That's the subscribe... Fuck. Oh, God. Righto. That... oh, jeez. Well, that didn't take long. Fuck, what?